Welcome all. So today in this video let us see something about the instructions of MMX, okay, multimedia extensions. Actually we are seeing the SIMD operations in modern ISAs. So in modern ISAs several other instruction set architectures we have seen, but let us see something about in multimedia extension, how the instructions are there in multimedia extension. So here you will find that SIMD operations are being executed in a different way. SIMD means one instruction is there which will operate on multiple data. One instruction is there means you will need to fetch just one instruction from the memory, okay, and using this instruction you will be able to operate on multiple data, right? So here in MMX what is happening, suppose some instruction, if you are able to write some instruction like this, packed 8 S2 $S1 and S0 and S1, okay. So it is saying packed add 8, okay. So as you are able to perform addition of just here what you are doing is your 32-bit register you are dividing into 8 bits, okay, and you are having different values, I should say different data in each of 8 bits, okay. First 8 bit having the value A0, A1, A2, A3, okay. So in this 32-bit register you are storing 4 values, okay, in separate 8 bits. So this is the story of S1. In S2 also you are having 4 different values. So when you are performing this packed add operation, what is happening, it will perform the 8-bit addition for all the 8 bits, okay. It will perform A0 plus B0, A1 plus B1, A2 plus B2 and A3 plus B3, okay. So it is fairly very simple. So now let me show you this thing, where what is the idea, one instruction operates on multiple data, no problem. Now here in opcode you are mentioning something like p add 8 or p add 4, p add 2 or p add 1, okay. So if at all it was a 64-bit register, suppose in a 64-bit register usually you have, then 1 means you are using this as here, you are using this as a single register, one data only, okay, of 64-bit. If you are writing 2, it means you are using this 64-bit into with 2 values of each of 32 bits. If you are writing packed at A4, it means you will have 4 such values. If you are writing 8, it means you will have 8 such values, kind of things, okay. So here you don't have any vector length registers, that how many, what is the length of the register. No, instruction itself will tell you that how the vector register is to be, whatever the register is to be divided, okay. So this is what happens in MMX technology. Let us see some example where it is very helpful. Suppose one of the example is image overlaying. In this case, you can see one lady is there in this image with a blue background. You cannot see the blue, but understand that there is a blue background for this lady, and there is another image. Okay, so we want to move this lady image on top of this particular image. So what we can do is we have to do one thing. One thing is that wherever there is blue, okay, we will not copy the from here. We will copy from here, right? And wherever it is not blue, then it is lady. So we will copy from this image. So very simple. So if it is equal to blue, then new image is yi, or in the other case, if it is not equal to blue, then it is xi. Simple. So for this, what you are going to do, you will perform this operation. We have already seen what happened. It was a masked operation in the last video we have seen. We will find out the mask. Okay, so we will, for each pixel, we are finding the mask, whether it is equal to blue or not. Accordingly, we will have either 0 or 1, 0. It is saying that it was equal to blue, it was not equal to blue. Okay, so when you get this mask, you can use directly on these things. So here what you are saying, you have the mask, and based on the mask you are finding this thing. This was your Y blossom image, and this was woman image. So based on the mask you are having the values this, and this, right? And here based on the mask you are having the value this, okay, not this, okay. So finally, in your final image, what you are keeping, these, you are merging these two things. So maximum of the elements kind of thing. These values are kept here. Here you are having x7, x6, and then y5, y4, and then x3, x2, and then at this position y1, y0. In this way. So you loaded the these things to woman image and blossom image, and then you perform the mask. You find out the mask, and accordingly you perform the find out this mm1 and mm3. Okay, and then you perform the AND operation, and finally got some kind of result. Okay, so in this way, what actually we are trying to understand here is, if you want to perform these kind of operation, in this case this operation, packed AND operation, packed, compare, equal, kind of this binary operation. Packed, basically we are trying to understand that packed operations are there which we can use. Okay, so here you can see you have divided the whole 64-bit into 8 parts, and at one given instruction you are able to execute 8 operations, okay, with one instruction. So this is the beauty of your multimedia extension operation. So this was we were seeing in this video. In next video we will try to understand about fine-grained multi-threading. Okay, what it is, fine-grained multi-threading, and how it is related to GPUs. For now, thank you.